are back in my parents' house. I really miss this room. It's a mess right now. It is an absolute mess. Like, I'm gonna put a picture right now. It's like I'm surrounded by junk. But we're in the middle of a massive spring cleaning spree at home. If you've been following me on Snapchat and Instagram and stuff, you know I've been cleaning my parents' cupboards and putting stuff from their cupboards into my cupboards to give them more space. So right now my room is a mess. But today we are going to do the Google myself video that everybody has done already. I don't know why I haven't done this, but I thought it would be fun to see what you guys are Googling about me. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. Shahrazad Shroff Wiki, Shahrazad Shroff sister. I don't have a wiki page, by the way. And a lot of you guys want to know how to pronounce my name. It's Shahrazad Shroff. Okay. Shahrazad Shroff age, Shahrazad Shroff wedding, Shahrazad Shroff sister. Okay, age. I'm gonna start with that. 30 years old, guys. Wedding. Yes, there's been a lot with the wedding. And my sister, I have two sisters, not just one sister, Anaita and Roxanne. So yeah, we have my Google page here, which like it says Shahrazad Shroff, Anaita Shroff, Adajania's sister. I am that. Wow. I have more to be than being my sister, spouse Vaibhav Talwar, siblings Anaita, they've not mentioned my other sister, and nephews Zray and Zain Adajania. Wow, okay, so this is clearly from her wiki page, I'm guessing. Let's see Shahrazad Shroff age. What do we have? My age strangely doesn't come up. Oh, there's something called famous birthdays that kind of puts up my... Oh, Vaibhav has a wiki page. I didn't know that. Let's see. So basically all I appear as is his spouse. Thanks, Wiki. Okay, back to Googling myself. So let's go with each letter on the keyboard. Okay, Q. Qualification, quotes. Qualification, I'm a BA LLB. Wedding pictures, wedding photos, wiki. I don't have a wiki page, so create one if you want one. E. Earnings, education, engagement. Interesting. So you guys want to know how much I make. Education, again, as I said, I'm a BA LLB. Nothing comes up with R. T. Twitter, Shahrazad Shroff Talwar, Shahrazad Shroff Tattoo, Shahrazad Shroff Vaibhav Talwar. Okay, well, yeah, I guess that would come up with T now. I have just one tattoo here which says Amor on the back of my neck, for those of you who want to know and don't know. I will try and put in a close-up of that. I don't really know when's the last time I took a picture of it. I don't really see it often except for when I'm like in a trial room or somewhere and you know there's like all these like mirrors all around. I'm like, oh, my tattoo. Others most of the time I forget about it. So yeah. Why YouTube? Obviously. You. Upcoming movie. No, I don't have any kind of upcoming movies, guys. Instagram income again interview. Wow. Also, there was this one strange video that someone created. I remember someone sent me the link to it. I don't know where it is now, but some girl who reviews channels and assumes how much they make, and the calculations were so wrong that I was like, oh wow, this is ridiculous. So please don't make like assumptions. Oh, okay. Date of birth 28th of July 1986. See parents, Pinterest pictures. Okay, so parents, you guys have seen my parents. If you guys haven't, I'm going to link my Bali vlog here, which was the holiday we took together. So age, oh my god, there's a Shahrazad Shroff Adajania. I'm not Adajania, that is my sister. We are both Shroff. She's Anaita Shroff Adajania and I'm Shahrazad Shroff Talwar. Then we have S, which has sister again, Snapchat. Are you guys following me on Snapchat? I'm Sherry Shroff on Snapchat. Make sure you follow me. Or maybe we should check Sherry Shroff as well. Yeah. Okay, so D, nothing. F, family, fiance, father, Facebook. Pretty much answered all. Girlfriend, Shahrazad Shroff girlfriend. Wow. Okay, maybe whose girlfriend am I? Or whether I have a girlfriend or not. Interesting. Age, height. Okay, this is a new one. Height, husband, house, husband name. Okay. Height, I'm about 5'6", not very tall. Husband, you guys know. House has moved from here, sadly. But yeah, I still live in Mumbai. And my husband's name is Vaibhav Talwar. If you don't know this, I don't know what you're doing here, but... Okay, J. Jackie Shroff. Now, this is a question that has haunted me my whole life. Everybody's like, are you related to Jackie Shroff? No, I am not related to Jackie Shroff, and I am not related to Tiger Shroff and the rest of their family. They are different Shroffs. We are different Shroffs. There is no connection whatsoever. I don't have a kid. L. Lawyer, LinkedIn. I mean, I studied law, I never practiced it. For those of you who want to know, nothing with a Z. X-ray. Why would someone want my X-ray? That is the most bizarre thing I've heard. C. Coupling. College channel. Okay, college. I went to 3 colleges actually. I went to St. Xavier's first for 2 years, then I moved to Jai Hind for 3 years, and then I did my law from Government Law College. So I've been to 3 colleges. Vogue, Web of Talwar, and videos. Vogue, I'm guessing because of our wedding stuff. Sherzad Shroff, birthday, blog, BuzzFeed. Oh, my blog used to be called Fashionalize, but I haven't posted anything on it in like, I think, what, 2 years now. N has nothing. M, model, movies, mom, marriage. Mom, I already spoke about marriage, I already spoke about movies. The only thing I've done in a movie is a song in the movie Bluffmaster. That's about it, which was called Right Here, Right Now, for those of you who haven't seen it. Modeling, yeah, I used to model for 10 years before this. Let's just see what comes up when I click my name. My Twitter feed, right? So this is all like from my YouTube page and stuff, I guess. Famousbirthdays.com. Let's see what this is. My mother is clearly on Netflix because the internet is taking really long to open anything. Mom, just stop watching your show, please. Pause your thing for 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, so this one has my birthday, 20th of July 86, it's correct. 30 years old, I am a Leo, correct. Started modeling when I was 16, true. Blog was Fashionalized, true. Oh, Sherzad Shroff and Bluffmaster, that is a search title, clearly. Oh, so we have lots of images here, wow. So this is me, the one going is me. Wow, okay. 2 stunning brides wearing the same outfit on their wedding day, that too from the same designer. They are bound to be comparisons. How weird. They clearly haven't watched the video where I created my wedding outfit with Gaurav and my sister, because I tried on the outfit that she's wearing. That was part of his collection, but I wanted something in lace and white, and that's how we kind of came up with mine, which is a combination of this outfit and another outfit, and mine was the 3rd one that they created. So yeah, it's not the same, just the drape on the skirt is the same, but wow, this is news. I didn't realize there were that many pictures of our wedding outside. What else do we have? So basically lots of YouTube pictures, modeling pictures. And we have Fashionalized. So yeah, this is my blog. For those of you who haven't seen it, this is it. Yeah, it's 2014. Wow. This is the last post, clearly. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't think there's any really strange stuff that's gonna pop up, thankfully. So that was me Googling myself, and I think you guys pretty much knew most of the stuff that you guys were looking for, because I've been pretty much open about everything on the channel. But if you guys have any more questions about me, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. You won't have to Google me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.